off just because it was heating up too quickly. And I didn't have all the peppers in, right? So now, put it back on.
Did you put the red peppers in yet?
I did.
So not too many red peppers.
Well, because you don't have that many, I didn't want to use
Oh, you can put more in, right, Greg?
I think I have the top off. Just dump a little more, a little. That's good. Because that really makes the oil then hot, spicy. So if you're going to dip.
That's salt now?
Mm-hmm.
Is that pepper before?
Mm-hmm. Black pepper, red pepper, salt. It's really very simple. Olive oil, peppers, garlic.
When did you turn on the flame? After you put in the garlic?
Yeah.
And then you start tearing the peppers?
But you see how they're getting darker?
Yeah.
And you kind of judge it by the garlic too. You know, the garlic you're just supposed to brown. You're not supposed to burn. And see how quickly it goes from white?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, they turn really dark. And that is Mom's tutorial on hot peppers.
Okay. I think we're good.
Delicious.